So let's say you're in Bali for the first time, so it's a completely new country for you. You came over, you have no idea what to do and who to ask help from. So let me give you a tip that may actually change your trip completely and make it much, much better. COVID-19 unfortunately did affect this country a lot, and it's gonna take at least a couple of years more for full recovery. And you can help by giving tips, by using local services. Obviously, you know, the businesses here that already started, like similar to Deliveroo here, like Go Grab, I think it's called like that, they will make their money anyway. They are here for a reason. But there are a lot of locals here who are willing to help, who are willing to make your life, your experience here much, much better. So using their services is not going to harm you, and it will help the economy to grow. So I met this local chap who is a driver for those bigger businesses, but he has been in this for more than 25 years. He knows all the places in Bali. He was just unlucky enough to meet some like fancy blogger who could advertise him so that they can run a business here. So he has to do everything on his own. But he did an amazing job on making our experience just absolutely gorgeous. We've already done 2 trips with him. We're gonna do more during this travel. And I just wanna share his contact so that if you go to Bali, support locals. Businesses will make their money. They are sorted out. But yeah, if you can help locals to make their money, especially the ones that are really willing to make your experience the best ever, again, I will put his contacts in the description, so just give him a call. So use locals, they are super helpful. I mean, every time we used taxi, they were super helpful by showing us the best places and obviously offering their services in future. So when we used the private trips, the guy who was supporting us really did amazing job on, you know, going with us, showing the best places, showing the best angles where to take pictures from, you know, did completely personalized trip for us, firstly asking where we want to go and then sharing some information for us where we should go as well because of the weather, because of the conditions, and you know, helping us with the bags. Again, it's just, I have no words to explain how helpful they are. And even on the streets, obviously they're trying to make money and they offer services, but they're not as pushy as in a lot of countries in Europe. So yeah, using people here in a good way is an amazing opportunity for you to stay on top of your trip and getting maximum out of it, because people here are always going to be willing to help. So I hope you found this video useful. I really hope that you will take the opportunity to support, you know, the economy here and help the beautiful country to recover from COVID-19. Please give tips, obviously, for an amazing service that they provide. If they don't give any tips, that's totally fine as well. Use the local services. I hope again you found this video useful, and I will see you as always in the next one. Bye.